Hello everyone. In the last video we have already studied the first part of the gametogenesis, that is oogenesis. In this video we will study spermatogenesis, that is formation of sperms, and the formation of sperms takes place in male primary sex organ, that is testis. Let's see the structure of the testis, how the internal structure of the testis are located. This is the transverse section of the testis. In the transverse section we can study there are many testicular lobules, that is 250 to there are almost 250 compartments in the testis or primary sex organ. In each testis there are 250 compartments, and in each compartment is termed as testicular lobules. Okay, in each testicular lobules there are 2 to 3 seminiferous tubules, that is tubular structure present in each testicular compartments or each testicular lobules. So the number of seminiferous tubules in each testicular lobules are 2 to 3. Okay, it means in each testis almost 250 to 750 seminiferous tubules are present. This is the transverse section of testis, in which these are the seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules lined with germinal epithelium, but the space between these seminiferous tubules is known as interstitial space, and in that interstitial space there are two different types of cells are present. First cell, see, this is first cell and this is very important cell. This one, this is Leydig cell or interstitial cell. The space between the seminiferous tubules, that space is known as Leydig cells. Sorry, interstitial space, and the interstitial space contains two different types of cells. First one is Leydig cell or interstitial cell. Second one is immunological competent cell. This Leydig cell is stimulated by the hormone secreted from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, and that hormone is known as luteinizing hormone or interstitial cell stimulating hormone. If this cell will be activated by the LH hormone or luteinizing hormone, this will start secreting androgen hormone, that is group of hormone, that is group of male sex hormone. So when it will be stimulated by LH, it will start secreting androgen, group of male sex hormone. One of the hormone of androgen is testosterone, whereas this is immunological competent cell. It will keep this area germ free or immunity strong. Now we will study this section, spermatogenesis. We dissect the one seminiferous tubules. When we dissect the one seminiferous tubules, what kind of cellular structure will be found in the transverse section of this seminiferous tubules? Let's see. This is transverse section of seminiferous tubules. When we will cut this seminiferous tubules, we will get two different types of cellular lining. One is large cells, that large cells is sustentacular cells or nerve cells or Sertoli cells. It is columnar type of cells, columnar type of cells, whereas another, this lining, this is germinal epithelial cells, this will be lined with the germinal epithelial, this is cuboidal types of cells. So it will also secrete some chemical, but main function of this germinal epithelium to undergo mitotic division, and after mitotic division it will form a specialized cell, and that specialized cell is termed as sperm mother cell or SMC. Since it will be formed by mitotic division, so the cells of this one will be diploid in nature. The chromosome must be paired. So now this sperm mother cell will divide mitotically to form two different types of spermatogonial cell, A type and B type spermatogonial cell. This B type spermatogonial cell further divide mitotically to form, this will divide mitotically to form primary spermatocyte. So this is diploid cell, and this will also be diploid cell, because this spermatogonial B type cell divide mitotically, then this cell must be diploid. All the chromosomes will be paired chromosomes here in primary spermatocyte. Half set will come from the mother and other half set will come from the father, and all these cells will be in paired form. Now what will happen in further division of this primary spermatocyte? This is primary spermatocyte. It will undergo the process of meiosis 1, or first meiotic division will start in primary spermatocyte. So here meiosis 1 will take place. This is the first meiotic division, and as we know, this first meiotic division is known as a reductional division. This is known as a reductional division. A reductional division, why this is known as a reductional division? Because all the paired chromosome will be unpaired, and half number of chromosome will shift in these two secondary spermatocyte. Okay, these will shift in secondary spermatocyte. Now what will happen in next step? In next step, the number of chromosome will be halved due to meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 is a reductional division. Chromosome number will be halved, will be unpaired. So half number of chromosome will shift here in this cell, half number of chromosome will shift here in this cell. Suppose this is having 46 number of chromosome. In human cell, 46 number of chromosome in diploid form. So when it will undergo the process of meiosis 1, what will be the total number of each secondary spermatocyte? What will be the total number of chromosome in each secondary spermatocyte? It will be 23 in each of the secondary spermatocyte. The chromosome number will be halved. Paired chromosome will divide, and half will shift in each of the secondary spermatocyte. Now second meiotic division will complete in this secondary spermatocyte. This is second meiotic division. So secondary meiotic division is termed as equational division, like mitotic division. So when it will, both the secondary spermatocyte will undergo the process of second meiotic division, it will form 4 spermatid. These are 4 spermatids, and each will have n set of chromosome. n set of chromosome will be present. It means 23 number of chromosomes, 23 chromosomes will be present in each spermatids. The entire process from here, this to this, means from the spermatogonial cell till spermatids, this entire process is termed as spermatocytosis or spermatocytogenesis or spermatocytogenesis. Okay, from here to this stage, this entire process will be termed as spermatocytosis or spermatocytogenesis. Is it clear? Now, what will happen in the spermatid? It is oval structure, it is not functional gamete, so it will go the process of cytodifferentiation. It will complete cytodifferentiation, and after cytodifferentiation, these will form sperms or spermatozoons. These are sperms or spermatozoons, and each will contain half set of chromosome, means 23 and 23 number of chromosome. Okay, so this process from turning of a spermatid into a sperms, that is known as spermiogenesis. This is spermiogenesis. Or we can also say spermatoleiosis. This is another step, and it is due to the process of cytodifferentiation. It means these cells are differentiated cell. It can't divide, but it will form a specific function. So this will happen due to cytodifferentiation. Due to cytodifferentiation, all the spermatids will turn into sperm or spermatozoa. This is the functional gamete. This is the functional male gamete. This is functional male gamete. Okay, so this is the entire process of the spermatogenesis that takes place inside the seminiferous tubules of male primary sex organ, testis. In short, we can understand, and we can also understand the hormonal regulation occurs here, but later. First, we should know the role of these sustentacular cells or nerve cell or Sertoli cells. Why this is known as nerve cell or Sertoli cells? We should know that sustentacular cell. What is the role of this sustentacular cell or nerve cell? As the name depicts, nurse. It will nurse. It will provide the nutrition to the sperms or spermatids. Okay, this entire process takes place in three different stages. First stage is phase of multiplication, second one is growth phase, and third one is phase of maturation. Phase of multiplication means this entire process is the phase. Later we will see. First see this one. This sustentacular cell. What is the role of this sustentacular cells or nerve cell or Sertoli cells? First one, it will provide nutrition to sperms or spermatid to turn into sperm. Second one, it will secrete synthesis and secretion of other chemicals. What are these other chemicals? Androgen binding protein. This is androgen binding protein. It will secrete androgen binding protein, ABP. This is ABP. Next, it will secrete, third one, it will also secrete this androgen binding protein. What is the role of this androgen binding protein? Since all the Leydig cells are present outside this seminiferous tubule, these are Leydig cells, Leydig cells. So ABP come out from here, it will bind with the hormones released or synthesized by these Leydig cells, that is testosterone. This will bind with the testosterone and bring it inside the seminiferous tubules. Okay, it will drag in the testosterone inside the seminiferous tubules. Okay, next one, this is third is AMF, anti-Mullerian factor. This is AMF. This is also a special type of, very significant type of protein. It will act over the Mullerian duct and prevents the Mullerian duct to turn into female secondary sex organ. This one, in male, it will prevent the Mullerian duct to turn into female secondary sex organ, because Mullerian duct is present in primitive kidney, that is in mesonephric kidney, and that Mullerian duct, the fate of that Mullerian duct to form the secondary sex organ, some part of the secondary sex organ of a female, that is oviduct, uterus and upper part of vagina. So it will prevent in male to turn this Mullerian duct into secondary sex organ of female. Now next one, it will also secrete blood barrier protein. This is BBP, blood barrier protein, blood barrier protein. So the blood vessels present here in this region, and the cell, the lining, this is the basement membrane of the seminiferous tubules. There will be one layer, and that layer will be blood barrier protein that will prevent the entry of blood into these seminiferous tubules. So these are the chemicals secreted from the Sertoli cells or sustentacular cell that has a specialized function or a special function here in the seminiferous tubules. Now this Sertoli cell or sustentacular cells will be conducted by or stimulated by FSH, and the role of FSH helps in formation of testicular follicles, that helps in formation of sperm, whereas this also testosterone will also play in spermiogenesis and spermatogenesis both. Let's see the hormonal regulation of this one. So in short, we can understand the spermatogenesis in testes. See, as we have already studied, this is the structure of testes, this is transverse section of testes, in which there are many functional units of this testis, that is seminiferous tubules, and number of seminiferous tubules in each testicular lobule, that is 1 to 3. 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules, that is highly convoluted tubular structure present in each testicular lobules. So its number is 1, 2, 3 per testicular lobules. 1, 2, 3 per testicular lobules. And we have already studied that there are 250 compartments, 250 testicular lobules present in each testis of human man. So suppose this is the seminiferous tubules, and this seminiferous tubules is internally lined with the germinal epithelial cells. So it will be lined by germ cells or germinal epithelial cells, germ cells, and this germ cell will divide mitotically to form spermatogonial cells. This will form the SMC sperm mother cell, and SMC the specialized cell that will undergo the process of mitosis to form spermatogonia. Okay. Now spermatogonia will divide mitotically to form the two types of spermatogonia. This is two different types of spermatogonia. These two are spermatogonia or spermatogonial cell, A type and B type. This happens in the multiplicative phase. Means spermatogenesis completes in three phases. That is, first one is multiplicative phase or phase of multiplication. Second one is growth phase, and third one is maturation phase. So in multiplicative phase, the spermatogonia will divide to form two different types of spermatogonia, A type and B type. So B type will again undergo the phase of growth, means it will grow and makes the cell ready for meiotic division. So this B type will divide to form two primary spermatocyte, and primary spermatocyte here there will be a mitotic division. In this one, mitosis. Here also mitosis. Now this primary spermatocyte will be formed. These two are primary spermatocytes. Now the first meiotic division starts here. Since it is human testis having a germ cell, and in human testis 2n is equal to each germ cell will contain diploid cell. So total number of chromosomes will be 46. So here in SMC sperm mother cell, the number of chromosome will be 46, 2n is equal to 46. Here also 2n is equal to 46. So this spermatogonia will contain 46 chromosome, and A type, B type, both cells will contain 2n is equal to 46 chromosomes. Each cell will contain 46 chromosomes. Now again B type cell will undergo the process of mitosis. Then after mitosis, the number of chromosomes will remain same. Here in primary spermatocyte, the number of chromosomes again will be 46, like this, in both the primary spermatocyte. Now this primary spermatocyte completes its first meiotic division. This is meiosis 1, meiosis first. This is first meiotic division. Okay, this is first meiotic division. When it will complete first meiotic division, it will form, after meiosis 1, it will form secondary spermatocyte, and this is secondary spermatocyte gets matured. It will go the process of maturation, and it will complete second meiotic division, meiosis 2. This will be meiosis 2. Now, what will be the total number of chromosomes in each secondary spermatocyte? Since primary spermatocyte is diploid cell and it is completing the meiosis 1, and after completion of meiosis 1, it will form secondary spermatocyte. So, meiosis. One is known as reductional division or reductional division, as we have already studied earlier. It will form haploid cell. So each secondary spermatocyte is haploid cell having 23 chromosomes in each cell. It will go the process of maturation to form spermatozoa or sperms. First, they will divide to form, each secondary spermatocyte will divide to form two spermatids. So, two secondary spermatocyte will divide to form four spermatids. So, there are formation of four spermatids from one primary spermatocyte. One primary spermatocyte after complete division will form four spermatids, and then it will complete the process of maturation. Then it will turn into functional gamete, that is sperms or spermatozoa. Okay, so this is in nutshell the entire process of spermatogenesis in human male. Okay, now diploid cells. What are diploid cells? Diploid cells. So diploid cells are from spermatogonia to primary spermatocyte. Spermatogonia to primary spermatocyte. These all cells have 12 is equal to 46 chromosome. And what are the haploid cells? So these are haploid cells. Haploid cells. Secondary spermatocyte, spermatids and sperms. Secondary spermatocyte, spermatids and sperms or spermatozoa. These will have haploid set of chromosome, that is n is equal to 23 chromosomes. These will have 2n is equal to 46 chromosomes. Okay. Now let's see hormonal regulation in spermatogenesis. How the hormones regulates spermatogenesis. These two endocrine gland helps in regulation of spermatogenesis. First one is hypothalamus, that is the part of the diencephalon, that is the part of forebrain. So this hypothalamus secretes very important of regulating hormone. This is known as gonadotropin regulating hormone. This is gonadotropin regulating hormone or releasing hormone. This will act over the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Means the receptors present over the cells of the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. The receptor for the GnRH present over the cells of the anterior lobe of pituitary gland, that will receive the GnRH and regulate to secrete, synthesize and secrete FSH and LH. FSH and LH is secreted due to regulation of this GnRH. These two are known as gonadial hormone. These two are gonadial hormone. Gonadial means these two will act over these two structure of the seminiferous tubules. The FSH will act over the Sertoli cells, whereas LH or interstitial cell stimulating hormone ICSH, the LH also known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone in male. So luteinizing hormone or interstitial cell stimulating hormone will act over the interstitial cell or Leydig cell. It will act and regulate these Leydig cells to synthesize and secrete androgen. This is androgen. This is group of male sex hormone, and this male sex hormone, these two male sex hormones are DST, dihydrotestosterone, and second one is testosterone. This testosterone will bring inside the seminiferous tubule with the help of the protein secreted from the Sertoli cells. This protein is known as ABP, and androgen binding protein, and when it will come, this testosterone will come here. It will help in spermatogenesis. This will help in spermatogenesis. Whereas the chemicals secreted from the Sertoli cells, that will help in spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means transform of or cytodifferentiation of spermatids into a spermatozoa. That process is known as spermiogenesis, and this will be regulated by the chemicals secreted from the Sertoli cells. That's why there is the attachment of the sperms here over the surface of this Sertoli cell, so that it can get the nutrition from the Sertoli cells, matured here, and will come out from this Sertoli cells or seminiferous tube. The matured sperms will come out. These are the sperms. These are sperms. So, sperms gets matured with the help of chemicals secreted from these Sertoli cells. Spermatid turns into a sperms or spermatozoons. That process is known as spermiogenesis, and this testosterone will help in spermatogenesis. So, entire process takes place here. When the sperms get matured, not fully matured but matured, then it will come out from the seminiferous tubules. Coming out of these sperms from seminiferous tubules is known as spermiation. When these sperms will come out, this is known as spermiation. Spermiation means coming out of the sperms from seminiferous tubules. Okay, how this maturation of spermatids into sperms takes place later, in later section we will study. Okay.